Welcome back to a new week here, Money Makers. This is your boy Duran, as always. I'm gonna stay making you have new opportunities to look into. This is a little bit of a new avenue for me this week. This actual video. This is the first time we're ever talking about website flipping. So basically, if you don't know what that is, I'm still new to the game too. So from what I heard that it is basically where basically you are selling your own personal websites to different people, and you, in exchange for selling it, you get the money to from them. So basically, say if I want to sell a very popular website like a Minecraft website, and I know a lot of traffic, traffic is generated from that website. I know that I'm gonna get money from selling the actual platform, but I'm also gonna get money from actually selling from the views and the clicks on that website as well too. So I'm doubling my profit. So basically, all it is just these are websites. These are yeah, four different websites where you can sell websites and make money from. So basically, if you already have your own domain website, www dot whatever the website title is, you can start selling your websites on here by clicking start selling. And basically, it's going to have you join the largest domain marketplace. So basically, how it's going to work is that once you market your website, it's gonna have you list. It's gonna have you in front of potential buyers that might want to buy that website. So you got to make sure your website is up to date. There's no defects with it. There's nothing wrong with it, because when people are buying it, the first thing they're gonna see is the visual effects of the website, like how visually appealing it is to the eye. If they like what they see, then they're going to keep going further down the list to meet all of their criteria, what they're looking for in a particular website. So you can join the world's largest domain marketplace. So get started by making money with the broadest distribution network, connecting you with domains with the right buyers. So once you click here to sign up, it's gonna sign you up. So you're gonna list your domain names at Affirmex. Listing your domain names at Affirmex couldn't be easier. You're just a couple steps away from having your domain listed on the largest domain name marketplace in the world. So you can put how much you want to sell it for, the floor price, the minimal offer. So the minimal offer meaning that you're not accepting anything lower than $2,200. But the asking price can be 4,000. So it could be anywhere from 2,000 to 4,000. But I say if you're just starting out and you don't have much experience, I would say lower that down to maybe 500, and then ask for the asking price for 1,000, just so you can be kind of fair. Because you don't want to seem like you don't want to overscan, especially if you don't have a lot of experience with website flipping. That's really important. You can price your domains. So it sets up everything for you to be in a good place. You really want to check out your website before before you're posting it on these particular platforms. That's going to ultimately sell your website. You want to make sure you're checking for the website, if it's clickable and it's valid, because sometimes we might have created websites years ago and someone else might have bought that and we didn't know that. So you want to make sure it's still under your name or however you did it originally. You want to make sure that if you design it yourself, it's visually appealing, because there's no worse than going to a website and you think it's good, but then you go onto the website and say, nice. You know, that's the worst feeling ever. You want to be visually aesthetically pleasing to the eye. That's the first thing, and then you want to look at if there's any effects, see if it's still generating traffic and all that before you actually go on here and actually sell it, because that's the worst thing. You think that your website is still doing good from all those previous years, and come to find out it's only one person coming on there once a month. That's not good organic traffic, and that means no one is and that means somebody is less likely to buy from you. So just check all those little nuances to before you come on here and before you sell it. And that's just one website. We have another one where it's called Flippa. Basically the same thing. You're selling your website. So you can click here to sell now. And it's gonna, walk you through all the, things that you need to do. So it's really important that you read these instructions. Prepare for your listing, create your listing. It walks you through each steps, and that's what I like about these websites. If you're really new, it walks you through all the steps that you need to do to be prepared. So when someone buys it, you're ready to go, and then you can click sell now after you follow all those instructions. So it's really important that you do what you need to do to make sure that you're actually going to be able to sell your website the right way. Then we have another one where it's called Motion Invest. So you can get help with selling your website quickly, and it lists all helpful it lists all helpful activities that it needs you to do to prepare your website. And then our last one here is EmpireFlippers.com. And again, you're starting for free, so click on it, get started, register. It's probably going to want to know a little bit about you. They're going to find the best buyer for you, and they're going to take you through a whole list of instructions to be able to sell this website on your own time. But there you have Empire Flippers, Motion Invest, Flippa, and Afternic. Those 4 different websites that you could potentially make money from. So say if you got 50 websites, say if you got 25 websites, and these 4 websites, you could potentially make $25 an hour selling both of these websites if you wanted to. And it's more websites online that I haven't even touched that you can research yourself. But as always, let me know if this makes sense for you, if you need more help. Just message me and we can try to work on a business plan to try to get you to start selling your websites if you know anything about that. If you don't, Google it, research, learn as much as you can, and then start making money from that. It's not an overnight process. You're going to have to take a lot of learning curves, but you can do it. But other than that, I believe in you, money makers. Have a great day. Bye.